हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 44। आज हमारी 44th क्लास है। आज हम लोग एक लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। आपका टाइपिंग टेस्ट का रिजल्ट जो है वो आ चुका है। बहुत सारे बच्चों का मेरे पास मैसेज आ गया था कि उनका जो है वो सिलेक्शन हो गया है, मतलब क्वालिफाई उन्होंने कर लिया है। अब आप लोगों का स्किल टेस्ट होने वाला है। जहाँ तक मेरी नॉलेज में है, 1 महीने के अंदर आपका स्किल टेस्ट होने के पूरे चांसेस हैं। तो अभी हमारे पास 1 महीना अभी भी है। तो अगर आपने कोई भी क्लास मिस करी हुई है तो आप उसको ज़रूर ले लीजिए। हमने 44 क्लासेस आज तक ले चुके हैं हम लोग। तो आज तक की सारी क्लासेस ले लीजिए और एग्ज़ाम तक होने वाली सारी क्लासेस को रेगुलरली अटेंड करते रहिए। अब जितने भी लोग अभी तक जो है ढिलाई बरत रहे थे कि जो डिक्टेशन है वो रेगुलरली नहीं लिख रहे थे, अब प्लीज़ सीरियसली इस चीज़ को लीजिए। एग्ज़ाम तक आप रेगुलरली क्लासेस लेते रहिए सो डैट एग्ज़ाम में आपको दिक्कत ना हो। आज हम लोग एक लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। The trial court decreed the suit for rupees 2 lakhs with proportionate costs and interest at the rate of 6% per annum from the date of the suit till realization. However, the division bench of the High Court allowed the appeal of the employer state government and dismissed the suit mainly on the ground that the plaintiff had accepted the amount as per final bill under protest without disclosing any real grievance on merits, and it amounted to accepting the final bill without any valid objection and grievance. It further held that the conduct of the contractor in accepting the final bill and thereafter sending statutory notice and filing the suit for recovery of the differential amount was barred by the principal. Para. Aggrieved, the plaintiff contractor filed the appeal. Allowing the appeal, the court held that from various decisions of this court, the following principles emerged: that merely because the contractor has issued no due certificate, if there is an acceptable claim, the court cannot reject the same on the ground of issuance of no due certificate, in as much as it is common that unless a discharge certificate is given in advance by the contractor, payment of bills are generally delayed. Therefore, such a clause in the contract would not be an absolute bar to a contractor raising claims which are genuine at a later date, even after submission of such no claim certificate, even after execution of full and final discharge voucher or receipt by one of the parties, if the said party is able to establish that he is entitled to further amount for which he is having adequate materials, he is not barred from claiming such amount merely because of acceptance of the final bill by mentioning without prejudice or by issuing no due certificate. Para. In the instant case, it is true that when the final bill was submitted, the plaintiff had accepted the amount as mentioned in the final bill but under protest. It is also the specific claim of the plaintiff that on the direction of the department it had performed additional work and therefore was entitled to additional amount or damages as per the terms of agreement. Merely because the plaintiff had accepted the final bill, it cannot be deprived of its right to claim damages if it had incurred additional amount and is able to prove the same by acceptable materials. Para. From the materials on record, it is evident that the appellant or plaintiff had a genuine claim which was considered in great detail by the trial court and supported by oral and documentary evidence. The High Court has not adverted to any of the factual details or claims of the plaintiff except reversing the judgment and decree of the trial court on the principal. Para. Though the matter could be remitted to the High Court for consideration in respect of merits of the claim and the judgment and decree of the trial court, in as much as the work had been completed in August. Final bill was raised and additional claim was raised to curtail the period of litigation. It would be appropriate that this court scrutinizes all the issues framed by the trial court, its discussion and ultimate conclusion based on the pleadings and supported by the materials. Issue number 15 in the trial court judgment related to estoppel, which has been decided in favor of the plaintiff. Stop. So ये लीगल मैटर हमने लिख लिया है. इसके अंदर स्टार्टिंग में 105 के अराउंड स्पीड थी, फिर 115, 120 और लास्ट में वापस से इसको रिड्यूस करके हमने 110 के अराउंड लिखा है. आई होप आप लोगों से ये डिक्टेशन लिखा गया होगा. लीगल वर्ड्स जितने भी थे A to Z वो सारे मैंने पुरानी क्लासेस में कवर अप करवा रखे हैं, उनको आप वहाँ से ले सकते हैं. तो आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है. आपको कोई भी डाउट हो या क्वेरी हो तो आप उसको कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो या फिर पर्सनली टेलीग्राम पर भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय.